So this is my sweet pea candle, and I think I can get the ring out already. I've been burning it since about, there we go. Since about 3, I think. Holy moly. All that good stuff off because it smells really good. I don't want to waste it. Okay, so move this over. Oh, you can see that already. Oh my goodness. Get the scissors out. Okay. Am I doing it the right way? There we go. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Can we see it better? Oh, I gotta wash it. Hold on. Oh my god, it's so pretty.